Whenever I browse YouTube and come across a New York City apartment hunting tour, I can't not click on it. I love living vicariously through people moving to the city, and it makes me dream of moving to the city. And then I really think about what life would be like moving to such a big city with all that hustle and bustle. And I come back to reality and I remind myself, I don't think I actually want to move to New York. I think I just love the apartments there. I'm so jealous of all the pre-war architecture, brick interiors, and lofted ceilings. It's like a dime a dozen in New York City, but here in Seattle, it's a lot harder to come by. So in an effort not to impulsively move across the country, I am today going to be New York City style apartment hunting, but here in Seattle. Let's make one thing very clear before we get started. Apartment and condo are different, okay? New York, I don't know why you use the word apartment interchangeably. It's just confusing. An apartment is something that you rent here in Seattle, and you buy a condo. Today, I'm going to be calling these condos apartments, but I'm actually showing you guys condominium units that are actually for sale. I'm a real estate agent in Seattle if you're new here. So that's what I have the easiest access to. If you are looking to buy, especially a New York style apartment, but in Seattle, shoot me an email and I will definitely help you find the best, most unique, coolest condos in the city to buy. And if you guys enjoyed these types of videos, I just made a brand new YouTube channel. I'll have the link below. It's specifically about real estate and Seattle lifestyle and living. So if you want more of this kind of stuff, subscribe to this channel, but also subscribe to my new channel. And without further ado, let's get into this Seattle, New York apartment condo hunting video. Number one is going to be right downtown. This is a building with 32 units. It was built in 1910. It's this brick building behind us. I think it reminds me of Tribeca. This unit opens up to a long hallway filled with built-in bookshelves. On our right, we have a fully remodeled bathroom that truly feels hotel quality. It has heated floors, floating vanity here. They backlit this. It's just gorgeous. It glows. This opens up for a bunch of storage, as well as a whole wall of cabinetry here. And you walk right into the water closet side of the bathroom. You've got not one, not two, but three separate, well, you could count the fire sprinkler as one too. You've got 4 shower heads in this shower. Properly, you've got 3. And then we walk into the living space. This is a 10-foot long quartz countertop island featuring an induction stove and panel-ready appliances. Yeah, bet you didn't know that was the fridge. On the front half of the island, we've got a ton of storage, and then on the second half, it actually opens up to a waterfall on the end that lives like a table. This is called an Eden Island, and it is super smart for a studio space. Comfortably seats 4 in this beautiful, beautiful loft space. We've got track lighting all above, original hard wood and exposed beams. And then past the kitchen, we have the rest of the living space. We have a built-in queen-size Murphy bed. Right here you have your sleeping area, and then off to the side here, this is like your closet space, and this right here is an awesome nook, kind of working like a vanity. You know, you could put a mirror right there. And the detail on the brick is so gorgeous. Above every window, it has this beautiful curve to it. And you guys, I didn't even show you the best part of this unit. The sweeping water views. This condo is in one of the most incredible locations in all of Seattle, if not the very best. You've got Pike Place Market right behind you. As you can see to the market, we are right next to Pike Place Market. That is Pike Place Market right there. And then right in front of you, you have the Seattle waterfront, which is going through an amazing expansion. I'll have some renderings on the screen right now. This waterfront is going from old and tired and, you know, something that was built to be functional in the early 1900s to a truly world-class destination for travelers. It's going to be incredible. It doesn't get better than this location, guys. And for a little New York flavor, you even have one of these built-in air conditioner units that lives right off the window. People in Seattle typically don't have air conditioning, so when you do find it, it's quite a luxury here. This condo is 849 square feet and listed at $625,000. With such great views and smart design, it's no wonder this unit went pending in just 5 days on the market. The seller is a designer himself and did such an amazing job with this renovation if we take a look at some before and afters. For more information, his website will be linked below. And thanks to the listing agent Matt Goyer at Urban Living for allowing me to film this condo. This next building is the former home of Jeff Bezos. Yes, before he was a billionaire, he was living in a humble little unit at 81 Vine. I'm deeming this the Midtown apartment. The reason I'm calling it the Midtown apartment is because we're basically like Midtown in Seattle. We're in Belltown, which is slightly north of downtown, but it's not completely uptown, so we're just kind of in the middle of town. You guys are staring at one of the few spiral staircase loft units that you can find in Seattle. It's so cool. I have found it. An amazing New York style lofted apartment here in Seattle, and this one's under $500,000. You enter into this nice open living and are immediately greeted by the spiral staircase. Over here we have the living space, and there's a nice nook for a workspace as well. You're gonna see, this is an industrial building. It used to be a factory, so we've got some really cool exposed pipes and beams, and there's brick. 81 Vine was constructed in 1914 and was used as a printing factory. So you've got exposed brick, wood beam, tall ceilings. We've got track lighting that bounces off the brick and looks so beautiful. This unit is currently for sale for $495,000. These are 13-foot ceilings, and this is a 669 square foot space. Then over here, we're going to enter into the kitchen. This layout's super nice because the kitchen is actually off to the side. It's like a galley style kitchen with an L shape over here. Nice natural light coming through your south facing windows that are also super tall, almost all the way to the ceiling. These are just beautiful windows. Right outside the unit, you also have some planter boxes. You've got everything you need, full size appliances. Now let's head up this spiral staircase. This acts as the bedroom, so it's super cozy, and it's so cool how you get this awesome aerial view of this unit. Underneath the lofted area, you've got a walk-in closet with a washer and dryer, which is really great. Some of these older buildings don't have that, so that's a huge plus. And it also walks into the bathroom. A good amount of counter space, storage, shower, and back to the tall ceilings. This is an amazing loft in a great location, and anyone could enjoy city life being here. But it's also a very unique investment opportunity. This is one of the very few buildings in Seattle that allows short-term rentals such as Airbnb. And with such a unique space, you could absolutely charge a premium. So if you are looking to buy a condo like this, it's available. Vine Street's really unique because they literally embraced the word vine. This is the Vine Street growing vine. It's a sculpture that takes rainwater and trickles it down to this park here in Vine Street. We've got an art installation slash planter that's connected to the building. On a rainy day, the water sculpture would take that water and it would go across the street, and it actually goes down this street as well, and it's just like this really beautiful greenery in this urban area. This really does feel like New York living here in Seattle, because right up the street You've got a ton of great restaurants in walking distance. It's the type of place where like you don't even need a car. This last apartment is the smallest that we're going to see today, but it's equally as interesting as the rest because it's also the most affordable. So I'm going to be deeming this one your first New York apartment. It's simple, it's older, but it's got character and is super cute. Welcome to the Seaview building. This was built in the 1930s and it is Art Deco style. It is a very grand, beautiful entrance that you really just don't see typically today. I mean, look at this water fountain, this landscaping, and the ornate character of this gorgeous building. It's really cool. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. What's really cool about this unit is it features west-facing views of the Puget Sound. I'm talking water views people pay $1 million for. This unit is 357 square feet, so your typical sized studio apartment, and it's listed at $285,000, making it one of the most affordable condos on the market here in Seattle. And it has a lot of the things that you would find in a New York apartment, like character, original hardwood floors, brick exteriors, not full-sized appliances. It's just a really cool little apartment. So the unit opens up to this little entryway with the cutest Art Deco style archway. Right here you have a closet and the bathroom. And then this is it. This is your living space, your bedroom, your closet. This is everything. And then off to the right here, you have your kitchen. Cute little kitchen, gets amazing natural light, and also features the gorgeous water view. I genuinely feel like I was just transported into an affordable New York apartment here, but we're in Seattle. I think a unit like this could be really great for someone who's on more of a budget but wants to have ownership in the city, that is more of a minimalist, that doesn't need that much room since it is a studio, that really values having character in their living space and maybe doesn't mind things being a little bit older or is willing to do a little bit of simple updating and renovating, such as in the kitchen. Some new countertops in the kitchen, newer appliances, newer floors. Put a cute pendant light down here, you'd have a really cute little kitchen nook over here. Seaview is located at the very end of the street on a cul-de-sac, so it's really quiet, you don't have through traffic going by, and at the end of this cul-de-sac is the entrance to Kinnear Park, which is a public park that is really beautiful. It has an off-leash dog park and it features gorgeous water views as well. At the end of the day, nothing truly compares to New York City, but hey, us Seattleites, we can try. I think it definitely is possible to find a unique unit that does feel like living in New York, and there's some great perks to it, like actually it being affordable to the point where maybe you could buy it. Of the three that we saw today, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Don't forget to check out my brand new YouTube channel all about Seattle real estate. I will have that linked below. And if you are looking to buy or sell a home here in Seattle, feel free to contact me. Let's have a chat about your home buying goals. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.